Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today I'm going to show you how to make my salted caramel popcorn blondies. So let's get right down to it. So these blondies are perfect for that movie night in, or even that Netflix and chill. So we're going to take some unsalted butter and some light brown sugar, cream that together till light and fluffy, and eggs, vanilla extract. Once it's all combined, plain flour, baking powder, baking soda, and that pinch of sea salt. Get this thoroughly combined, and then we're going to add our toffees, or toffee pieces, butterscotch pieces, some white chocolate, and our batter is ready to go. Straight into our lined baking dish, and we're going to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Allow to settle. Cut this into squares, and we're going to top with some salted caramel and our caramel popcorn. Done.